keen with where the direction had gone, and even as it is, I'm digging it that much more. I can see more potential. I can definitely come in here with paint pens. I could definitely come in here and sheet music collage in some more weeds. I could come in with more colors. I could mix up some acrylic and go over top. I don't want you to feel like if you didn't like it and it didn't get colored in the way that you had your heart set on, that somehow that coloring book is done. This coloring book in 7 pages, I mean, if you end up with just a crazy chaos layer, if you're a friend of mine from the Insider Studio, you're going to recognize that this is still a workable piece of art, because now as a chaos layer, it still has so many possibilities to continue to become more. For example, let's say you take one of my coloring pieces that's very heavy on spirograph, and those are definitely going to be kind of a staple in all of my coloring books because I love making them, and no two have to be identical. So in this one, I've gone in with watercolor. I've kept it basic. There's some permanent marker, some gold paint pen, if you can catch the reflections here. And I like the very minimalistic aspect of it. If I wanted to get some more perspective, I can take my matting and just kind of see. I'm thinking of maybe making the kits a little smaller because 11 by 14 matting is a bit costly to ship. But if you have other mattings, you could take this sheet of paper, tear it in half, and put it into a smaller matting and have 2 pieces. So there's definitely wiggle room with the end result. But so let's say you just kept it to the basic shape of the spirograph and basically colored it like a coloring book, or you could more is more it. Now in the background of the flowers, you can see that there is the spirographs that I had started, but I was really not into just staying in the lines, but I wanted to keep that basic sacred geometry shape in there, and I really liked how that came together. Is it done? Sure, it could be done, but I could also go in like I did here with gesso and reduce some of the chaos and bring stuff forward. I will have more videos coming for different ways to work with your half starts, but for now this is just sort of a basic inspo unboxing, please take it in your direction kind of video for you. So yeah, we've got the fish, got some watercolor, more watercolor, and yeah, you can definitely go over top of watercolor with acrylic paint and a matte medium and varnish and finish these in unique ways. I definitely feel like I would want to maybe take the geometry piece, and maybe actually cut these out and collage with some matte medium into her hair, you know, instead of a flower crown, have kind of a sacred geometry crown, and even the cat could have little portions of it collaged on, in which case you definitely would want to disassemble your coloring book, put it down. If you want to do a straight, you know, traditional watercolor, you could tape this down with your low tack painter's tape and have those beautiful white edges at the very end of it all. I mean, the sky's the limit. But what I'm looking forward to, and I hope that you do get a chance to do it, is that it's a collaborative effort. I really want to see. I have no hold or copyright claim to what you create from the coloring books. Definitely don't think of it that way. But I am just a curious artist, and I would love to know where you go with it. And I would definitely love to hear back from you. So don't be shy, email, DM, let me know how it went with your coloring book. And yeah, sign up and subscribe to my Etsy account, or you can sign up here on YouTube to my YouTube videos and receive notifications when new video guides or products are launching. Definitely follow me on Instagram at Maya Paints, and you can find my website www.majalarsonstudio.ca online with my newsletter sign up and all the fun things that are coming. So thank you again. I hope this live video worked, and definitely check back. I'll be doing more detailed how to use the half starts as time goes forward. Thanks again.